Hello everyone. Today we will discuss combination reaction. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब. Now let's start. Combination reaction is a reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as a combination reaction. For example, we can take calcium oxide in solid phase plus H₂O water in liquid phase gives calcium hydroxide in aqueous phase plus heat. Or calcium oxide is also known as quicklime and calcium hydroxide is also known as slaked lime. We can say that when calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slaked lime, releasing a large amount of heat. Thank you. In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product, that is calcium hydroxide. Such a reaction in which a single product is formed. In this reaction, only single product is formed, that is calcium hydroxide, or known as a slaked lime, from the two or more reactant. In this reaction, two reactants are, number one is calcium oxide and the second one is water. And this is known as a combination reaction. Thank you.